So I remember my fourth grade teacher saying, Elizabeth, stop cracking your knuckles. It's bad for you.
Yeah, well, we busted that myth.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So that white stuff right there,
It's gas.
it's gas just exploding.
We looked at 400 joints. They looked pristine. We could not tell the difference between the people who had done it 20 times a day for many decades and the people who had never cracked their joint in their life. There isn't any adverse effect that we can see immediately. There's no decrease in grip strength or swelling that occurs. And in fact, people get increase in range of motion at their joint, and that makes them feel better.
So should I call my fourth grade teacher and say, you were wrong, it's actually good for me?
After you thank her for all that she taught you.